Okay, I apologize for the quick cutoff. This software will only record for exactly 15 minutes. So let me finish this quickly and then I'll start the other ones. We left off with promotes the excretion of nitrogen, inorganic phosphorus, and sodium chloride in the urine. Levels of these metabolic wastes are elevated in urine after massage. Again, that's evidence that the body is moving products, filtering, getting rid of metabolic waste that have been dormant in the tissue. Okay, miscellaneous effects of massage. Massage will reduce fatigue and increase vigor, especially when someone's getting it on a regular basis. It does improve sleep patterns, so people will frequently say that they sleep more soundly afterwards. That has been proved with scientific studies. It does reduce job-related and post-traumatic stress. It improves mood, decreases feeling of anger. I love this one. It improves body image and improves self-esteem. I think that that's a great reason for a lot of people to get massage. They carry themselves more confidently. Their posture is improved. Their shoulders are back. Their head is higher. They feel good about themselves. They're more accepting of their body. I think that's a fantastic and underrepresented benefit of massage therapy. So overall, what I hope you got from this was that the effects of massage, and the only effects that I've listed are effects that can actually be documented in scientific journals, research done by the Touch Research Institute at the University of Miami and various other places, peer-reviewed. These are legit scientific results. And I believe we've covered effects of massage that most people are unaware of, benefits that you can receive from getting regular massages. So I hope that inspires you. I hope it encourages you to talk to other people about the benefits of massage. It's certainly one of the most pleasurable ways to get healthy. It just requires setting the time aside and committing to doing it on a regular basis. Okay, so your next video is going to be on contraindications to massage. You can look for that shortly.